Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make YouTube TV full screen. So if you are facing the problem that your video is not in the full screen mode, then follow along because in today's video, this is what exactly I'm going to show you how you can actually do it. So this is reddit.com, and over here this person asked the same question that he was facing the problem in getting full screen. So as you can see that the community manager from YouTube team gave this troubleshooting method to this person. So let's just check what he is actually saying. So he's saying that I tested on a Chrome browser from my end and full screen worked for me. Refreshing the page and restarting Chrome are both great steps. I would also recommend going ahead and cleaning the cache and cookies just to make sure that they are not affecting anything they shouldn't. If the video doesn't do full screen after those steps, definitely submit feedback from the browser, then reach out to the YouTube TV support here, and they will be able to look more into why this isn't filling your screen and gather any info that's helpful to the engineers. So basically, first of all, you need to check that from your end you have the full screen mode on, and still if the video is not in the full screen mode, you will have to simply click on the video, and then you just have to simply click on your profile icon in the top right hand corner of the screen. So this will be your profile icon, and here you will see the option of send feedback. So once you click on the send feedback option, here you will be able to see the capture screen option. So once you click on capture screen, it will automatically capture your screen. So you need to click on the allow button, and now you can see the highlight or hide the info. So in this section you can basically highlight which area you are facing the problem on. Then you just have to provide the feedback and make sure that you check this box, because with the help of this box they are going to contact you via email. Afterwards you need to click on this send button, and this way you will be able to send the feedback. And if the problem is from the YouTube teams and they are going to fix it for you. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.